Good morning, everyone. This is Samaikhya from grade 7. Today, my topic is about modes of transport. Contents: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Transport. Transport is a movement of humans, animals, and goods from one location to another. Transport has made modern life faster and more convenient. Timeline of the transport. Waterways developed in 1300 BC and travels on water. Roadways 4000 BC on land. Railways in the year 1853 April 16 travels on trucks. Airways developed in the year 1914 January 1st in air. Waterways. Waterway is a navigable body of water. It is an eco-friendly transport. Roadways. Roadways carries passengers from one place to another. Railways. Railways are lifeline of the nation. Airways. The supreme advantage of air transport is its high speed. It provides comfortable, efficient, and quick transport services. Conclusion. Transport has a crucial role to play in economic development, prediction of environmental qualities, public health risks, awareness of future activities, further assistance necessary. Queries. Kindly please raise your queries for a better answer. Any queries? Acknowledgement. I would like to express my special thanks to my teacher, Dr. Sastry Sir, and Abrami Ma'am, who gave me this golden opportunity to do this project on modes of transport. My mother, Sri Devi, is also helping me in completing my project. Once again, I thank my teachers, parents, and my friends for supporting me. Thank you.